Hey there, health enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered about the secret to stronger bones, glowing skin, and a healthier gut? Well, today we're diving into the world of bone broth. You might have heard about it, but do you know all the amazing benefits it can offer? Stick around as we explore why this ancient superfood is making a big comeback in modern kitchens. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is bone broth? It's a nutrient-rich liquid made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for hours. This process extracts collagen, amino acids, and minerals into a flavorful, healing broth. Now let's talk about the incredible benefits of bone broth for your health. First up, bone health. Bone broth is packed with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals are essential for building and maintaining strong bones. Regular consumption of bone broth can help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Next, let's look at joint health. Bone broth contains glucosamine and chondroitin. These compounds can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. They're particularly beneficial for people with arthritis or other joint issues. Moving on to gut health. Bone broth is rich in gelatin and collagen. These proteins can help heal and seal the gut lining. This is great news for those with leaky gut syndrome or other digestive issues. Let's talk about skin health. The collagen in bone broth can improve skin elasticity. This means fewer wrinkles and a more youthful appearance. Many people report clearer, more radiant skin after adding bone broth to their diet. Bone broth can also boost your immune system. It contains amino acids like arginine and glutamine. These help support immune function and reduce inflammation in the body. Now let's discuss how bone broth can aid in weight loss. It's low in calories but high in protein. This makes it a great option for those trying to lose weight while maintaining muscle mass. Bone broth can also improve sleep quality. It contains the amino acid glycine. Glycine has been shown to improve sleep quality and reduce daytime sleepiness. Let's not forget about hair and nail health. The collagen and protein in bone broth can strengthen hair and nails. Many people report faster nail growth and thicker, shinier hair after regularly consuming bone broth. Now you might be wondering how to incorporate bone broth into your diet. You can simply sip it like tea or use it as a base for soups and stews. Try adding vegetables and herbs for extra flavor and nutrition. If you're short on time, there are many high-quality store-bought options available. Just be sure to check the ingredients list for added preservatives or sodium. For those who prefer a DIY approach, making bone broth at home is simple. All you need are bones, water, and a few hours of simmering time. You can use beef, chicken, or fish bones, depending on your preference. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of bone broth. Try to incorporate it into your diet a few times a week for best results. There you have it, folks. The many wonderful benefits of bone broth for your health. From stronger bones to better sleep, this ancient superfood has a lot to offer. Why not give it a try and see how it can improve your health? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. And let us know in the comments. Have you tried bone broth before? What was your experience? Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.